Alright guys, Jeff Hilbrecht here. I am going to shoot you a very quick video on how to get started with Skype. Very critical that you get on this platform and get comfortable with using it. It's where all affiliate marketers live, basically. It's the easiest way to communicate. You can share screens. There's a lot of different things that you can use. Very versatile, easy way to communicate with myself and anybody else that you interact with in this business. So very important you get started with Skype. So we're going to go ahead and head right over there. I'm on a different PC right now that does not have it on there at all. So we're just going to go to our web browser and we're going to just go to Skype, skype.com, and let's see if that works here. Alright, and then up top here, looks like you're going to find Get Skype right there. Let's click on that button. Yep, let's go to Microsoft Store. If you're on a Mac, it might be a little bit slightly different. And all the different versions kind of look a little bit different depending on what your computer you're on, what operating system, and things like that. So that's the unfortunate part with Skype is they're all a little bit different, but you just need to get familiar with yours. Very important. So we're going to select that to get started here. And yeah, we need to sign in. So you need to have a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, it'll let you set one up. But let's go ahead and enter mine here. So my Skype ID is j.hilbrecht. And that is it. Okay, so once you get into Skype, that's what you're going to be looking at me for. Let's see if I can remember this. Alright, let me grab that password and I will be right back. Alright, so we got in there, got my password in there. Like I said, you'll need to set up a Microsoft account so that way you can set yours up. Let's see here. It's going to give you some information on your security information and what phone number and address and email address you have attached to the account, which is fine. Yep, that's all good. Just go through a few of these questions here. Okay. Alright, so I need to get a pin from my email. So just bear with me 1 second here and I will get that. Alright, so I got that pin in there and it brought me to this screen. Welcome to Skype. We're going to sign in or create. Try this again here. So my ID is j.hilbrecht with Microsoft and Skype. And cross your fingers. Should be good there. Great, looks good. So one more thing before I forget, you definitely want to get Skype on your mobile device. Okay, so when you download that from like the Google Play Store, it's perfectly okay. There's a Skype and there's a Skype Lite. You can totally do the Skype Lite. It's a lot easier on your mobile device. It's a lot smaller program that's actually downloaded on there, and it has like 98% of the functionality. So it's very good and very user-friendly. So we're good with that. You can go ahead and go through this tutorial here, and it'll explain exactly what you need to do to get comfortable with your Skype account. Okay, so you just find contacts, learn more. You go through that whole thing. It's going to give you the option to access your contacts that you have already saved. And so I'll say yes, they're synced, so that way, because I have them on other devices, so it's just going to sync it with that. You might not have any at this point. You're going to upload a photo. You need a profile photo. Please do a profile photo. Very professional. You want to have a photo, okay? All right, so the next thing is you're going to set up your camera. You're going to set up your microphone. It's going to guide you through the whole setup process on this, okay? So let's just walk through this and see if it'll do this while I'm recording. It sounds like it looks like it is, so this is good. So this has got it all set up. That's the microphone and the speakers I want to use. You can test the audio if you're having issues. You know, there's always help if you're having issues on any device there, okay? So, and this is the camera. It's probably not going to work because I'm using the camera to record. So otherwise you would see your beautiful picture there. All right, so and then there's a tutorial you go through. Start that tutorial. Go through it. Learn this platform. Okay, very important. This is where we will communicate. This is where you will. This is where you're going to be in touch with all of your team and as well as your mentors. Okay, so this is a great platform to use. Set up your profile, add your picture. And all that kind of good stuff, and have fun with it. But definitely, for sure, get used to it. That's where we're going to meet, and we will be able to talk over the phone through Skype, and as well type and send messages. I'll be able to send you documents and videos and all kinds of good stuff that's very easy for me, very easy for you to access. It's a lot better than email and going kind of back and forth like that. It's a much better platform to use. Okay, so that's it. That's all there is to it, and it will be on your device now. So if you go to, let's see here. So right here, it's going to be pinned to your start there, and then so that's good. Otherwise, it might be up here in your desktop, and then you just right click on it and you want to pin it to your taskbar, but it's already down here on mine, so we're good there. So that's all there is to it. As always, when you install a new program like that, you want to restart your computer before you actually get into using it and using other things on your computer, because just to make sure that it's completely installed. So hope you enjoyed that. Please reach out to me, connect with me on Skype, j.hilbrecht, Hilbrecht, and I will connect with you there. Also, this is a YouTube video, so you're going to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel for me so you can get any updates there. And please like the video if you enjoyed it. So thanks a lot, and we'll reach out to you soon.